This review focuses on the best electric dirt bike this year. Electric dirt bikes offer strong torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation. As a result, they are ideal for off-road trails and beginners. They also require less maintenance than gas bikes, which is a big advantage. In addition, features like durable suspension, responsive brakes, and sturdy tires improve safety and comfort. Overall, an electric dirt bike delivers performance, efficiency, and fun in one package. Please check the links in the description box for further details. First up is the HAPPYRUN G300 Pro electric dirt bike, which is an impressive blend of power, performance, and style. Designed for both teens and adults, it offers a smooth and responsive riding experience thanks to its robust electric motor. Acceleration feels strong and steady, making trail rides and off-road adventures truly enjoyable. The bike's durable build and quality tires handle rough terrain with confidence, while the comfortable seat and ergonomic design make long rides less tiring. One of its biggest advantages is the quiet, emission-free electric system. No gasoline, less maintenance, and a cleaner ride overall. Battery life is solid, providing a good amount of runtime per charge, although heavy use on steeper trails will reduce it faster. Braking is reliable, and the overall handling feels balanced and safe for beginners and experienced riders alike. Overall, the HAPPYRUN G300 Pro delivers excellent value for an electric dirt bike, combining strong performance, durability, and ease of use in one cool package. Next up is the VALTINSU EM5 electric dirt bike, which is a well-rounded ride that delivers solid performance and fun for both beginners and experienced riders. Powered by a reliable electric motor, this bike offers smooth acceleration and dependable torque, making it enjoyable across various terrains like dirt paths, grass, and light trails. The sturdy build and quality suspension help absorb bumps and maintain control, providing a comfortable ride even on rough surfaces. The electric design means quieter operation with no gas, lower maintenance, and an eco-friendly experience. Handling feels stable and confident, while the braking system adds an extra layer of safety. The EM5's sleek design and thoughtful ergonomics make it appealing and practical for recreational use. Battery life is respectable for casual riding, though extended off-road use may drain it faster. Overall, the VALTINSU EM5 electric dirt bike is a great choice for riders looking for an affordable, user-friendly electric dirt bike that balances performance, durability, and fun. Coming up next is the WINDONE RM7 electric dirt bike is a powerful and exciting ride that stands out in the electric dirt bike category. With a strong motor and responsive acceleration, it handles off-road trails, grass, and uneven terrain with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced rider, the RM7 delivers a smooth and stable performance. Its robust build quality and durable tires make it suitable for adventurous outdoor use, while the electric design means quieter operation and lower maintenance compared to gas-powered bikes. The battery provides a decent ride time, though heavier use on challenging terrain may shorten it. Comfort is enhanced by a well-designed seat and balanced frame, making longer rides more enjoyable. Braking performance feels reliable, giving added peace of mind when navigating rough paths. Overall, the WINDONE RM7 electric dirt bike offers excellent value for anyone seeking a fun and reliable electric off-road experience. It combines power, durability, and ease of use in one great package. Next is the YOZMA IN10 electric dirt bike, which is a solid choice for riders who want an exciting and eco-friendly off-road experience. Powered by an efficient electric motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and reliable performance across various terrains like dirt paths, grass, and trails. The bike feels balanced and intuitive to ride, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced riders. Its durable frame and quality tires help maintain traction and stability, while the suspension system absorbs bumps for a more comfortable ride. One of the biggest advantages is the quiet, emission-free electric setup, no gas, less maintenance, and a cleaner ride overall. Battery life is decent for casual use. Braking feels responsive and adds confidence when navigating rough surfaces. Overall, the YOZMA IN10 electric dirt bike is an enjoyable and dependable electric dirt bike that provides great value, combining performance, comfort, and ease of use in a well-designed package. Finally, the TUTTIO SOLIEL 01 electric dirt bike is a powerful and fun ride designed for both beginners and young adventure lovers. With its strong electric motor, this bike delivers smooth acceleration and impressive torque, making off-road riding exciting and easy to control. The sturdy frame and durable tires handle dirt trails, grass, and uneven surfaces with confidence. Its quiet electric operation means no fuel, no fumes, and low maintenance, perfect for eco-friendly riding. The responsive braking system adds safety, while the comfortable seat and balanced design improve riding stability. Battery performance is reliable, offering enough ride time for outdoor fun without frequent recharging. Overall, TUTTIO SOLIEL O1 electric dirt bike is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable, safe, and enjoyable electric dirt bike experience. It combines performance, durability, and convenience in one solid package. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.